Metropolitan Task Force reported the highest number of hospitalizations since the beginning of the year. Our region's rising COVID case numbers have now prompted local hospitals to once again restrict visitors. Our Pepper Baker explains these changes.
The virus doesn't really care about what we think or what we hope. It is only affected by what we do.
Chief Community Health Officer at SSM Health, Dr. Alexander Garza, reported 718 positive COVID case hospitalizations in the St. Louis Metro Task Force hospitals. That's the highest amount in almost a year.
Both our net hospitalizations and our 7-day moving average are heading way up.
The region's surge in cases prompted health leaders to change their visitation policies again.
Because of the number of COVID patients hospitalized and the capacity challenges that we're all feeling, so BJC, Mercy, SSM, and St. Luke's, we've all made this difficult decision to restrict visitors to our hospitals once again.
SSM Health and BJC confirmed patients will be limited to one designated visitor. Pediatric and obstetrics will be allowed 2 visitors.
It's important for us to try to minimize the number of people in the hospital who might be coming into the hospital after a COVID exposure or with COVID and could potentially expose our patients or expose our staff.
With the virus's demand on resources, infectious disease specialist with Washington University and BJC Healthcare, Hillary Babcock, along with Dr. Garza, urged people to find non-emergency medical centers for COVID testing.
Because we're seeing just large volumes of patients showing up merely for testing, and it's really overcrowding those departments.
The ERs really need to be saved for people who need urgent medical attention, that may need to be admitted to the hospital, that have been hit by cars, that are having heart attacks. That's really who our ERs need to be able to focus on.
In St. Louis, Pepper Baker, 5 on your side.
Dr. Garza says to call the hospital ahead of time to check the visitation policies. If you need to find a COVID-19 test site near you, text the word test to 314-425-5355, and we will send you a link with all of that information.
St. Louis University is now requiring the COVID-19